Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to watch short video on YouTube. Now let's get started. First, open your YouTube apps. And after this, in here you can click on this icon. This is the short video icon, so you just click on it. And after this, if you wanna watch a short video, in here you can watch the short video. You just swipe down like this to find the video that you want to watch. It's so simple. You can see the many short video on YouTube like this and finish. So that's how to watch short video on YouTube. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoy with the content, please consider like, comment and subscribe down below. Bye bye.